Hello everyone, welcome again to your channel Maths Guide. In today's video, we are diving into the super important and easy math concept converting fractions into decimals. Have you ever seen a fraction like 1 by 2 or 3 by 4 and wondered what it looks like as a decimal? Well, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to change any fraction into a decimal using simple steps. So grab your notebook and let's get started. The key points which we have to discuss in this video are what is a fraction, what is a decimal, conversion from fraction to decimal, and what are different methods of converting fraction to decimal, and the correct placement of decimal point. Now the question is, what is the difference between a fraction and a decimal? A fraction is a number that shows part of a whole using two numbers, a numerator that is the top part of the fraction and denominator that is the bottom part. For example, 2/3, 4/9. But a decimal is a number that shows part of a whole using a decimal point. For example, 0.5, 0.75. Now, how to put a decimal point? It is a very important question. A decimal point is placed according to the zeros in the denominator. For example, first fraction is 4/10 and we have only one zero in the denominator. So we will place the decimal point before one digit and it will become 0.4. Similarly, in 5/10, it will be written as 0.5. And 59 hundredths, we have two zeros in the denominator, so we will place decimal before two digits, so it will become 0.59. It means it has two decimal places. Now the main topic, that is conversion from fraction to decimal, and the first question is 7 by 10. We have to put decimal according to the zeros in the denominator. As we have only one zero in the denominator, so we will put the decimal before one digit, that is 7, and our answer will be 0.7. And now in the second question, we have two zeros in the denominator, so we will put decimal before two digits and the answer will be 0.47. And if we have another number instead of 10,100,000 in the denominator, first we have to convert them into 10,100,000 and then we can put the decimal easily. Now another example, but this time we have a fraction 1 by 4 and we have 4 in the denominator. And the decimal requires 10, 100 or 1000 and so on in the denominator to put the decimal. And I know that 4 into 25 is 100. So after multiplication of numerator and denominator by 25, I get 25 by 100. Now we have two zeros in the denominator, so we will put the decimal before two decimal places. It means I will put the decimal before 5 and 2, and my answer will be 0.25. Easy? Now let's practice some more questions for better clarification of the concept. We have three fractions over here, 1 by 25, 3 by 20 and 15 by 250. Now look at the first fraction. We have 1 by 25. As we have 25 in the denominator and we know when we multiply it by 4 we get 100. So we will multiply 25 by 4 and also we will multiply the numerator also by 4. We get 4 by 100. Now we can easily put the decimal point. Here we have two zeros in the denominator, so we have to put the point before two digits, but here we have only one digit, so we will put another digit by ourselves, that is 0. Now the answer is 0.04. Now look at the next fraction. We have 3 by 20 and we all know 20 into 5 is 100, so we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 and we get 15 by 100. Now we already have two digits in the numerator and two zeros in the denominator, so we will put the decimal accordingly. And the last fraction is 15 by 250. If we multiply 250 by 4, we get 1000. And we get the fraction 60 by 1000. When we multiply the numerator and denominator both by 4, we get 60 by 1000. Now we have three digits in the denominator and two digits in the numerator. Again, we will put one zero by ourselves to make the decimal places according to the zeros. Now we have three decimal places and we will put the decimal before three digits and our answer will be 0.060. We have already understood how to convert the fraction, whether proper or improper fraction, to the decimal. Now we will learn how to convert a mixed number to decimal. To convert the mixed number to fraction, we have the first mixed number 3 whole 2/5. It means 3 whole and 2/5. So we will multiply this denominator 5 by 2 to make the equivalent fraction with denominator 10 and we get 4/10. Now we will put the decimal between 3 and 4 to make it a decimal number. As we have only one zero in the denominator, so we will put the decimal before one digit, and that is 4. So our final answer is 3.4. Another example is 8 whole 3 sixths. As 10 100,000s are not multiple of 6, but don't worry, we will simplify the fraction first, and now the new fraction is 8 whole 1 by 2. Now we will multiply 2 by 5 to get a denominator 10, and we get 8 whole 5 by 10. Now we can easily put the decimal before 5 to get the answer, that is 8.5. Actually, the decimal separates the whole part from the fractional part. This is how we can put the decimal. Actually, there are two methods of converting fraction to decimal. First method is to converting the denominator to 10 100,000, then putting the decimal according to the zeros in the denominator or the decimal places. But the second method is division method. Let's check it out. Our first question is 1 whole 3/4. It means we have one whole part, so we will get 1 point, obviously. But now, to convert this 3 by 4, we have to divide 3 by 4, and we will get 1.75. How? Let's see. Dividing 3 by 4, it means 3 will become dividend and 4 will become divisor. And now 3 is smaller than 4. We have to put the decimal in the quotient to put the 0 with 3. Now we have 30. Now we can easily divide 30 by 4. 4 into 7 is 28. Subtracting them, we get 2 as a remainder, which is also smaller than 4. Now we will put the 0 again with 2. Now at this time there is no need to put the decimal again in the quotient. Now 4 into 5 is 20 and the remainder is 0, and we get 0.75 or 0.75. We will put it after 1 point. So our answer is 1.75. It means 1 whole 3 by 4 in decimal is written as 1.75. This was all about converting fractions to decimal. Next video on Maths Guide will be percentage, converting percentage to fraction and decimal. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share it with your friends and family.